Hey everybody, Beth Hayes here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So glad to have you here. I know that there is, right at this moment, a brand new shiny object for you guys to look at and chase that has savings also for you guys. We won't mention the name of that particular business here, but just know that MyEcon, keep in mind these few facts, okay? MyEcon has been around for 20 years. They're not going anywhere. They are financially stable. They're A plus rated with the BBB. This company is always looking to put more money back in the pockets of their affiliates. And they are. They're always updating the compensation plan, making it easier for you to qualify to reach those higher levels and make those bigger commissions. They are always looking for good products to bring to the table to help people save more money. That's what these financial products are about. These digital financial products are about saving more money, keeping more of the money that you already earn. And then the affiliate part of it is about earning extra money. Okay. So there's two sides to the MyEcon membership. Side number one, save yourself some money, repair your credit, save yourself some money on your taxes, save yourself some money in your paychecks, bring home more money that way, learn how to manage your debt better. That's what the products are about with MyEcon, okay? Side number two, share your affiliate link with people. When you are thrilled with the results that you're receiving from your digital financial membership with MyEcon, share that affiliate link out there with people and help them to be able to save money as well. So, and then you earn and you are paid handsomely. This compensation plan, this super simple compensation plan, pays you a minimum of 70%. Okay, when someone signs up with MyEcon and you are the person that helped them sign up, you are making a minimum of 70% right now. You cannot make less than that. It is physically impossible. Looking at the compensation plan like we just did, for you to make any less than 70%. Again, I have another video about these bonus updates, and I'll put that one down here in the description too, so you guys can reference that as well. But just so that you know, 70% all the way up to 94.5% is what you guys are earning. And yes, our very first rank, the gold rank in MyEcon, you're making 50 cents per time that somebody renews their membership. With this other new shiny company, you're making 50 cents, period, no matter what rank. That's it, 50 cents. And in order to make the real money that they're mentioning in their compensation plan, you have to get so many people on your team, to sponsor so many people on their team. You guys, pay attention to the compensation plan. Take a good look at that. Don't just chase shiny objects. Please do yourself a favor. Compare our compensation plan at MyEcon with any compensation plan of anything else that you want to get started with, okay? Do yourself that favor. Compare how you will be paid, okay? And you will realize that we have the best compensation plan. Now, I don't know that it's literally the best. There might be a better one out there, but I haven't found it. But just know that this is the best, you guys. Don't go chase other things. Put the work in, put the effort in, join my team, get started. I am here to help you and work alongside you. I want you to win. I want you to make your life better. Send me a message. All of my information is down in the description below, and you know that I'm always putting my phone number up here at the top. Text me, ask me questions, ask me how you can get started. Let me help you get going and make your life better. I hope that you found some value in this video. So if you did, hit that like button. And also make sure that you hit the subscribe button and that little notification bell so you can be notified anytime that I post new content here on my YouTube channel about all the things, making money online, MyEcon, my cancer journey, all of the crazy things that are going on in my life. You want to be notified about those new videos that come out. So I'm looking forward to working with you guys. I can't wait to see you on the inside and help you get started. I'll see you on the next video.